All right, so this is task 16 from our motor control proficiency exam. Um, it is sequential control with a single stop start button. The Once we start this button, hitting the start button, current will flow through to motor starter 1. Once motor starter 1 has current flow and the coil is energized, it will close contact M1, which is manipulated, of course, by this motor starter. That will bring in power to motor starter 2. Once this coil is energized, it has a set of contacts that it is operating, which is M2. M2 will close and M3 will come on. And this is a sequential start in that very quickly because it'll cascade into one will start, start, contact close, start, contact close, start. On this one, they also asked that any overload would stop. Um, an overload on any one of these would stop all the motors. So I have taken on this one and wired the overload contacts in series, where if the overload relay associated with any of these, if motor starter 1, 2, or 3, if their overload relay senses an overload, it will open up its associated contact, and interrupt power. So let's look at this. Let's get this one going here. Alright, so bring on the start. Again, change the state of these contacts. Everything is on. Stop. But the addition of these contacts makes this a sequential control. Alright, so, and again, these wired in series. If any of these, let's say we detect an overloaded motor starter 2, we will lose power and all 3 motors will stop as per the instructions. So if we hit reset, now we can go back. Alright, so that is task number 16 from the motor control proficiency exam.